Strawberry glaze is used in so many recipes, but it is well known that sauces can be one of the most challenging components when it comes to baking. I've used these tried and true quantities for every kind of occasion and recipe. My favorite is using it to top some cheesecake. I also love pouring it on top of a strawberry tart to make it glossy. My family loves the look. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. How to make the perfect strawberry glaze. Step 1. The first thing we need is to make strawberry puree. For this, you will want to mash the strawberries as much as you can with a fork. Of course, this will be easier if your strawberries are a bit overripe. But if they are not, do not worry, just put them into a food processor or blender, and they will be ready in no time. Step 2. Mix your sugar and cornstarch in a medium bowl. Bring your saucepan over to medium heat and add your sugar and cornstarch. Step 3. Add your water and mix until everything is dissolved. Next, you will want to pour in your strawberry puree and mix it all until it is well combined. Step 4. Bring it to a boil and turn the heat back down to a slow simmer for 5 minutes. Take it out of the heat and pour it into a bowl where you can use it from or store it. Let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Your glaze is ready to be used. Of course, it will need to cool further depending on what you are going to use it for. For a cheesecake, you could use it warm. Final tip. If you do not like seeds in your glaze, then consider pushing your strawberry puree through a sieve before making your glaze. This will get rid of any seeds and lumps, giving you a smooth and shiny result. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.